Are you looking for reliable and professional mold remediation services in Edison, New Jersey? Then look no further than FDP Mold Remediation of Edison. We are a local business with over 15 years of experience in the industry. We offer a wide range of services to fit your needs, including mold removal, remediation, mold testing, and inspection. Our team understands the health risks that come with mold, and that's why we utilize the latest technology and equipment to remove mold safely and effectively from homes and businesses. We're dedicated to providing our customers with the highest quality of service and will do whatever it takes to ensure that your property is mold-free. If you're interested in finding out about our services or would like to consult with our specialists, don't hesitate to call us at 908-952-2058. We'd be more than happy to answer any questions you may have, as well as help you with all of your mold-related problems.